Hi, I'm Daniel from Intinor. Today I wanted to show you our Direkt Link backpack. To showcase this, we are trying to recreate a live environment. So with me, I have a MCR crew behind me with audio and video engineers. We have in the field, we have a camera crew with our reporter, and we also have Ola with the behind the scenes shot. So the Direkt Link backpack, it has two SDI inputs, it has two HDMI inputs, and also optional NDI inputs. It has 2, 4, or 8 built-in SIM cards. It has Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi. So this means that you can do network bonding with any kind of network connection you have. It also has HDMI out for your return video and 4-wire and IFB like I'm using right now. The hardware can handle up to 4 simultaneous streams, so you can send multiple cameras for a remote production environment. It also has a built-in video mixer. We actually did another video on this a couple of days ago, so if you haven't checked that out, go to our YouTube channel and have a look there. The backpack supports VPN for remotely controlling your PTZ cameras or other equipment. And as you can hear, the unit is packed with features. So it should suit a bunch of different scenarios. The network bonding that I've been mentioning is a true point-to-point network bonding, so there's no cloud in between. And this means that there's no extra operational fees and no added latency. This allows us to have real-time communication between the encoder and the decoder. So if we have a quick look into the web interface, we can actually see from the backpacks that are out in the field right now that I get information on all the SIM cards. I get what kind of operator it is, I get the bitrate, packet loss, latency, and also what's happening for the last couple of minutes. You can see a graph that gives you more information. We also have something called data cost management. So here you can prioritize your connections depending on cost. If you, for example, have some extra expensive SIM cards, or if you'd like to prioritize a fixed internet connection, this will come in handy. So I can just pick one of these and move them to get a better connection or prioritize my connections. Back to me on the receiving side, I have a Direkt receiver. That's the green box over here. This unit has SDI outputs and is very easy to configure. We also have a USB audio interface, but this could also be a Dante audio interface if you're working in that environment. I've mentioned low latency, and let's talk a bit more about that. We can offer a glass-to-glass latency that is below 0.5 seconds. It's hard to showcase this, but I guess you will see it when we talk more with our outside crew. Low latency is, of course, dependent on a very good network connection. So having big antennas does help with this. I like to call them the Mickey Mouse ears because, well, you'll see. I think our outside crew is ready. So let's go over to Jenny.
Yes. Roland, Daniel just mentioned the antennas. What can you tell us more about them?
Yes, we choose to use a little bit big antennas, and the idea behind that is to get good 4G connectivity. So if we look at your cameraman Emmanuel here, we can see that the antennas are also above his head, and in that way he's not blocking the signal in any way. So by having the antennas here, you get really good 4G, 3G connectivity.
And while looking at Emmanuel, you're wearing the rig. It seems quite big. Is it comfortable?
Yeah, I mean, it's not actually as heavy as it looks. And since it's developed for like camera operators, it's really suits this perfectly well. So yeah, it's very comfortable.
It's an easy rig, and if your customers already have an easy rig, could they use that one?
Yes, if you already have an easy rig cinema, you can buy a kit from us, and then you can mount your mobile encoder to that kit. And then you have both the easy rig to hang your camera, but at the same time you can have the mobile encoder on your back to send live with 3G, 4G.
How about weather conditions? Today we have nice weather, but is the rig weather resilient?
Yes, definitely. It has been proven to work in Alaska for dog sled racing in very harsh winter condition, and it's also been used in Dubai for triathlon from a motorcycle, and everything between. We designed the hardware to be water resistant, so if it rains on the hardware, it will just fall off. So yeah, it works very well.
That sounds really nice. Thank you very much. And now back to you, Daniel.
Thanks, Jenny. So now you've seen how the backpack works, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Can find more information on our website, and please let us know if you have any questions. I hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Bye.